Good afternoon everyone, myself Sanket Mundi, and today I am going to present solid mechanics ISU 1 on Mohr circle. The Mohr circle is a crucial graphical tool used in solid mechanics to analyze stresses on different planes within materials. This presentation explores its application in fracture mechanics of aircraft alloys, highlighting how it helps predict the stress states that can lead to crack initiation and propagation, essentially for aircraft safety and material durability. It means that Mohr circle helps to identify from which the stress the airplane could get in future and can purpose to the crack into the engine part. The definition of the Mohr circle is visually represents the state of stress at a point by plotting normal and shear stress on various planes. This method simplifies complex state analysis by transforming stress components into a circle, helping identify principal stresses and maximum shear stress, which are critical in understanding material behavior under load. The construction steps are start by plotting the normal stress on the horizontal axis. First of all, the stress is applied on the horizontal axis against the shear stress and against the vertical axis from two perpendicular planes, which is located at the center, and circle is drawn using the radius derived from the stress differences and identify the principal stresses where the circle intersects the horizontal axis and essential for fracture evaluation. Stress components and representations. Mohr circle graphically illustrate the relationship between normal and shear stresses acting on various planes within a material. It helps identify principal stresses, which are normal stresses acting on the planes with zero shear stress, and the maximum shear stress, critical parameters for assessing material state and potential fracture points in aircraft alloys. The prediction crack propagation through Mohr circle. Critical stress condition leading to crack, inflation and growth are identified. It aids in predicting how crack propagate under varying states, enabling proactive maintenance and the design of alloys with improved fracture toughness to prevent catastrophic failures. Design consideration for alloy durability is applying Mohr circle informs the design process by highlighting stress concentrations and orientations prone to fracture. This helps in selecting over developing aircraft alloys with optimal mechanical properties and resilience, enhancing safety and service life through informed material choice and component geometry optimization. Mohr circles is an essential tool in the fracture mechanics of aircraft alloys, which can provide clear visualization of stress states, which can predict the future cracks which are going to be happen into the planes, and through which we can make a safer and efficient airplanes. Thank you.